Hey folks, welcome to yet another unboxing from Gadgets 360 Work from Home Edition. And today we have a very exciting device. It is the Mi 10 from Xiaomi, which is their first flagship in a very long time to launch in India. Now, if you don't want to miss any of our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also tap that bell icon so you're notified the moment we push out a new video. This is the retail packaging of the Mi 10, and as you can see, it's a simple black box with a number 10 written in bold in the front. Now we also have some mentions of the 108 MP on the top, referring to the 108 megapixel camera. And at the bottom it also says Snapdragon 865, which is Qualcomm's current flagship chipset, and it also supports 5G networks. And at the back we have some of the Mi 10's highlight features such as 8K video recording, the Snapdragon 865, an HDR10 Plus supported display, and of course the 30-watt wired and wireless fast charging support. Now time to break the seal and see what's inside. Okay, first up is a little white box, and inside we have the SIM eject tool on the top. Next we have a USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter, since there's no headphone jack on the Mi 10. We also have a quick start leaflet, and finally a silicone case for the phone itself. Now let's keep these things aside and let's dig in further. Finally, we have the Mi 10 5G itself. So let's pop this out of the box. There we go. This is our first look at the Mi 10 5G. Now let's quickly take it out of the plastic wrapper. Let's keep it aside and check what else is left in the box. We have a USB Type-C cable, and finally the 30-watt fast charger, and that's pretty much it. With everything set up, let's take a closer look at the display. It has a fairly slim chin at the bottom, also towards the sides, and coming to the top we also have the 20 megapixel selfie camera in the hole punch cutout. The display is a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. It also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now at the bottom there's the speaker, we have the Type-C port and the dual SIM tray. And coming to the top we have the earpiece cutout for phone calls and another cutout on the top for the second speaker for stereo sound. There's also an IR blaster here. Over to the right we have the volume rocker and of course the power button. Now, the phone feels very premium thanks to the glass back. This is the coral green color variant, but it's also available in a twilight grey shade. Now, let's take a closer look at the cameras. The 4 on the back includes the primary 108 megapixel sensor, a 13 megapixel wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The Mi 10 5G runs MIUI 11, which is based on Android 10. It's powered by its Snapdragon 865 chipset, and the unit we have has 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3 storage. Xiaomi does offer another version with 256GB of storage as well. The Mi 10 5G also has a 4780 mAh battery with support for up to 30-watt wireless charging and up to 10-watt reverse wireless charging. So this is a quick unboxing and first look at the brand new Xiaomi Mi 10. Now we will be reviewing the phone and bringing you the full review very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.